Logging out of your Google account is important to protect your personal information, especially on your shared or public computers. This prevents others from accessing your email, documents, and other sensitive data. So, to log out, find the Google account icon or your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then, after, scroll all the way down, and there you'll get the option of sign out of all accounts. If you have multiple accounts logged in, you only have the option to sign out of all the accounts and then sign back in manually by entering the password of all the specific account available or logged in over here. And in the case if you have only one account that you want to log out, you'll get this single sign out button. Go ahead and tap on that and you'll be done. And after signing out, you'll be taken to a login screen. Go ahead, enter your email address and your password, and then log into your specific account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.